do.
Wanna go into the city?
No.
I choose you.
If you want. I like that red. When it gets to east.
No, when it gets to 105.
Oh, should we go over to the coast?
No.
Hey, this is the courtyard thing that I died at last time.
It's good. I'm gonna go to this group of beds. Guys, where are you going?
To the red waypoint.
Alright.
There's a car over to the left. Should I go for that or the houses?
Yes, get the car.
Okay. I will be
Oh,
short.
yes, land on the building. Can I land on the building?
Yeah,
Can
you
you land
can.
on-
There's another guy here.
Oh shit.
Oh my god.
There's two other guys.
Where?
Right there,
Punch it up, punch it up, punch it up!
Jump
Oh,
and
shit.
punch, it does more damage.
Move, Jackie, move. Move,
Jackie,
Come on.
Jackie, run.
Oh god,
Oh
they have
shit,
a
there's a gun, there's a gun, there's a gun, there's a gun. Oh.
No, I'm nearly dead.
Yeah.
No.
Wait.
Fuck. This was awful!
Oliver.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Man!
I think I know what I must do.
Fucking executed.
That's gonna be
Kamikaze hero. Kamikaze hero.
Very honorable.
Very
You
honorable.
have awakened a sleeping beast.
Fuck him up.
Should I try and kill them?
Yes, fuck him up.
Oh, there's a hammer and sickle on his wall. Oh, I'm dying at the foot of my Oh, you can save me. Please save me. I don't know where they are. No, actually, no. I'm bait. I think I'm bait. Don't come here.
Oh yeah. So like we killed 3. You gotta
Well, the
gun
fact that
now.
he hasn't died, I can kill them with a pan. Or 45.
Yeah, there's a guy with an AR right there. On me.
they finished
He just shot me. Excuse me.
Got a pan and a chest armor.
Take your shoes off. Take your shoes off.
No difference.
No, it sounds
It's
different.
louder.
No, it's not. That's way quieter.
Slow.
Fuck slow.
Dude, that's way quieter. What the fuck?
One right behind you. Right behind you. Right behind you. Behind you.
This whole time we've been wearing fucking booties.
No. Come up the stairs. Come up the stairs. Up the stairs.
Ah!
Yes.
Eee. Watch out for his friend.
He's got a friend. He's got a friend. Watch out.
Pistol kill. That was fucking smooth actually. I like pistols now.
They're behind. They're out the window. Oh shit!
Jump out the window.
Oh!
Throw a grenade. Have we got a grenade? Run out that door. Run out the door. Run out the door. Get outside.
Oh! There's more than one.
Oh shit, one's got a crossbow. Ooh,
Yes.
yes.
Don't let them revive.
Headshot.
They're gonna revive.
That's a crossbow. He's only got a crossbow. Get you.
Wrecked bitches! How? What the fuck?
I love to know that that's what they heard. Is
Wrecked bitches.
yeah, and that voice and that tone, perfect.
Aiden's lost it. I've got 1 round left in my gun. There we go. It's empty.
Nice.
Oh, teach me, oh wise master.
I
I
gotta kill.
Matthew just fucking.
I killed
opened
all
the
of them with a
screen.
pistol. And they had an assault rifle. I'm gonna upload this. This is so getting uploaded. Oh fuck. No, let's look at you guys. What have you got?
Nothing.
Buckle.
But also, yeah, we do all have to take off our shoes now. Shoes are no longer allowed.
What?
They make a quieter step noise when you're
We're
walking.
gonna be bushmarries.
They're just little pitter patters instead of clunk clunk clunk.
That's an extended quick draw, isn't it? Good.
You got any health?
No.
Oh no, where's the play area?
Look
Oh
at you,
shit.
fucking
You're
Judge
fucked.
Dredd.
Well,
You need a
lucky I
car.
brought a car over with me.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
He's thought of everything. Oh, wise master,
I'm not sure if
teach
he's
me the
thought of
way.
everything or if it's just luck.
No, that was skill. That was fucking all the
I'm
practice.
pretty sure like that was 90% luck.
So how many did you kill before?
3. I don't even know.
So you don't have any health stuff?
I have some bandages and 2 energy drinks. I should probably do that now before I go any further. Gets immediately sniped.
Yeah.
Former Soviet counterintelligence officer Donald Trump Jr. and Russian lawyer. What the fuck? This just keeps getting better and better.
Has he posted more things on Twitter yet?
The Russian lawyer who met the Trump team after promise of compromising between on Hillary Clinton was accompanied by a Russian-American lobbyist, a former Soviet counterintelligence officer who is suspected by some U.S. officials of having ongoing ties to Russian intelligence. So he was meant to be stopping them, but he was actually helping them. Back in the Cold War days.
What? I don't think that's what that means.
There's gonna be another season of Narcos?
Yeah.
Fuck me up! How can there be another season when it's about
What about him?
never mind. Don't wanna spoil.
Do you think they're going to add rocket launchers into this game?
Doubt it. It'll be too overpowered.
What do you mean?
They're adding helicopters and tanks.
Fucking gunships.
There is a list of all the weapons they hope to add before the full release in a year or 6 months or whatever.
Surely some GTA modder will have, like, made a game type like this.
So you can't go online with mods in GTA, it won't let you.
Well, I mean, no, you know, create adversary mode. I'm sure you could.
What's wrong with this? Why do you need GTA?
God damn, I was hoping to just drive in there, die, and leave.
Buggy.
And, yeah,
Oh fuck, you nearly ran over yourself.
no, that would have been brilliant. Sensei, teach me. Oh, wait, never mind. Don't want that.
Well, that's restricted.
Oh no, it's retarded.
Why is it? That's watching that again. Lame.
Remember when it was Matt watching us?
Oh, how things have changed. Ye of little faith. Okay,
I had all the
you
faith.
either
I
red or
had
not.
all the faith.
pistols are my new favorite thing because they're like steady
Oh
as
shit, run
shit.
him down, run him down, run him down, on the right. Find that tree, run him down!
There are two. Yeah, he fell.
Ah!
You missed both of them?
No!
You